Hey, how's it going? This is Mr. Hernandez, and I'm going to be going over the finding probabilities using normal distribution, but I'm going to be going to the challenge zone, which is, of course, it's supposed to be a little bit more difficult, but I want to show you how, you can approach it. And this will help you with doing some other assignments that we're going to be doing with these normal distributions. Okay, so it starts off the same way. You want to come up with the percentages using the mean and the standard deviation. So if the mean is 43, I'm going to go ahead and put 43 right in the middle. And the standard deviation is 13. So I'm going to add and subtract 13. Now, the goal here is less than 30. So that means I really don't care about going to the right of this, because none of those values are going to be 30. But if I subtract 13, that will be 30. That's exactly the value that I want. And so so just like all the other cases, you have your normal curve, and you have all these values here, mean and standard deviations, and then you're going to look for this value here, this number that you're looking for, the probability, which in this case is right here. This is 30, and it says less than, so that means we're going to be concerned with determining all the percentages of everything to the left of that 30. So let's go look at this. I'm going to mark off the 30 right here because it's right at one standard deviation to the left of the mean. And then let me use my highlighter, and I'll highlight all these boxes here, all these other ones. So there's actually 3 sections that we need to add up. So this first section, it's kind of cut off, but it's 0.15%, and we're going to add 2.35%, and then we're going to add 13.5%, which is going to be, let's see, and after we add it, because these are percentages, we're going to have to convert it to a decimal. Okay, so this is actually going to get us 16%, but as a decimal, it's going to be 0.16. So that is the number that we want to put on this here. So 0.16, and we got it. So just be aware of whether it says less than, more than. If it's asking for, here less than, you're going to shade everything to the left like we did before. But if it's more than, then you would instead, talk about shading in everything to the right of that value that you designated. Okay, good luck.